Jellyfish. 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 Take some jelly, take some fish. Look at that sandwich, delish.
Okay, zoology class, let's get started. Today we're going to be talking about how jellyfish respond to stimuli in their environment. Now, you might ask, how does a jellyfish do anything? It doesn't have a face, it doesn't have a heart, it doesn't have a brain. It's like the scarecrow from Wizard of Oz, but that doesn't really matter. But before we get into that, let me just show you a little things about a jellyfish. This is a diagram. If you don't understand half the stuff on here, that's perfectly okay, neither do I. But the image invoked by the word jellyfish is usually a transparent, umbrella-shaped animal body with ribbony tentacles fringing from its rim. It's called a Medusa because of its resemblance to the ugly, snake-haired Gorgon Medusa of Greek mythology. Dear goodness, that's terrifying. So, you might be asking yourself, does a jellyfish have an eye? Or maybe eyes, plural, singular? I don't know. Well, the answer is yes and no. Only one jellyfish does, and it's the box jellyfish, and it's not even an eyeball. It's a combination of cells that form an eye that can detect light. And that's how it knows where light is or light isn't. Okay, not that big of a deal. Maybe it is, yes, no, maybe so. I don't know. I want a good grade. You might ask yourself, how does a jellyfish respond to touch? So a jellyfish is basically a freak of nature that doesn't have a brain or a central nervous system, but it has a loose network of nerves located in the epidermis. It's called a nerve net. A jellyfish detects various stimuli, including the touch of other animals via this nerve net, and these touches are transmitted through impulses throughout the nerve net. Oh, also, a sting is not really electricity just thrown.
If you simulate even a severed strand of tentacle with an electric pulse, the stinging capsules react. Known as a nematocyst, the stinging capsule is unique to jellyfish. It's a complicated mechanism, and the fastest in the animal kingdom. Each tentacle contains billions of these harpoon-like structures. The process underlying their deadly firepower is revealed now for the first time using computer animation. Inside each of these nematocysts, a coiled tube bathed in venom. When triggered, the nematocyst explodes into the victim at 10,000 times the force of gravity. Like a sock being pulled inside out, the tube everts, releasing venom from all sides of the harpoon directly into the bloodstream.
I hope you enjoyed our mini presentation. Goodbye.
Jellyfish. 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 Take some jelly, take some fish. Look at that sandwich, delish. Just make sure you don't eat a real jellyfish. Or you'll die!